their skills. Everybody wants to get there faster, make their way to the top of the hill. Each time you try, gonna get just a little bit better. Each step you climb, one more step up the ladder. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude.
Morning, Master Designers. What's up, guys? Tonight, we're gonna draw a skiploom, one of my favorite Johto region Pokemon. Yeah, awesome, huh?
Everybody wants to make a statement. Everybody needs to carve their mark. To stand alone in the victory circle. Stick the claim when the music starts. Give it all you got. You can be the very best ever. Take your best shot. And what you learn will come together. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all. Be the best that you can be. Pokemon Johto. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all. Be the best that you can be. Pokemon Johto.
Codenamed as the Cottonweed Pokemon, and also recognized as a grass and flying type. Its flower can blossom when temperature rises above 64 degrees Fahrenheit. No matter how the flower opens, it depends on the temperature. For what reason? That reason is this Pokemon is sometimes used as a thermometer. What kind of maniac does that anyway? There we go. There he is. That's how you draw a skiploom. And there he is. That's how you draw a skiploom.